Yeah, here we are at the end of the trip, heading into Portsmouth. As you can see in the distance, the highlight I think is the parade in Cairns, so that was really good.
Tanya, Johnny, up above.
I think we did about 40 miles in the Jeep, so that was good. Still a little bit overheating, so I've got little bits to do to fine tune it. But it just needs a really good run. We had the trailer to rescue it just in case, but it did perform. It performed okay, so. It's a lot of work. Last couple of years, or last year or so, I've been pushing on getting it finished. So hopefully I'll make it to the 85th. So, but we might just go out next year and just when it's quiet and just take the Jeep. Go out a season so we can see all the sights, and I'll take the Jeep and do bits and pieces and some photography. So I think that'll be the better option.
Yeah, well, I was asked to make these cushion covers a week before we came, and I basically just knocked these up just to cover his beloved Jeep cushions, basically. Nobody will see what's underneath, so yeah, these are waterproof inside covers that I've made for the whole of his Jeep, so yeah.
Thank my wife, Tanya, and the kids and yourself and loads of other people, which we'll put in the video, add all their names at the end.
Okay, here's to the next part of us to go.
Yes, to the next and onwards.